jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Why are you so annoyingly cheerful?
Didn't you hear? The Christmas Fair is coming soon.
So, we have one every year.
But this one's going to be awesome. There's going to be games, food.
That's the exact same thing that happened last year, and the year before, and the year before that.
But guess who's coming to the Christmas Fair? The one, the only, drumroll please, Hamstos Claus!
I'm too old for a Hamstos Claus.
There's also another amazing EPSG raffle with fabulous prizes.
That does sound kinda cool.
So, shall we go?
Doesn't sound like I have much choice.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry
And a Happy New Year.